Have you noticed the growing buzz around Shiba Inu lately? After a period of quiet, SHIB is back in the spotlight, and the data is starting to tell an interesting story. Once a meme coin, Shiba Inu has evolved into a global movement, powered by a passionate community, the SHIB army. But hype alone isn't enough. The real question: is SHIB transitioning from viral sensation to a true, functional ecosystem? In this video, we'll break down the technical signals, whale activity, and major ecosystem upgrades shaping SHIB's next chapter. From Shibarium's launch to token burns and Metaverse expansion, there's a lot happening beneath the surface. Our goal? To give you a clear, concise overview so you can decide what's next for Shiba Inu. As the crypto world matures, investors want substance over hype, and SHIB's team is responding with real upgrades and partnerships. Let's dive in and uncover what's really driving Shiba Inu's resurgence. To understand SHIB's future, let's rewind to its origins. Launched in August 2020 as a playful experiment, Shiba Inu quickly exploded from a niche meme coin to a global phenomenon. Most meme coins fade fast, but SHIB's community and developers had bigger ambitions. They expanded the project into a multi-token ecosystem, introducing Leash and Bone alongside SHIB. ShibaSwap, their decentralized exchange, marked a turning point, proving SHIB was more than just a meme. This evolution shifted the focus, from viral marketing to real utility and technology. The team is now building tools and platforms that solve real problems in the decentralized web. Not every project survives this transition, but SHIB's deliberate expansion shows a commitment to lasting relevance. The meme label may linger, but the ecosystem's foundation is now built on function and innovation. With each upgrade, SHIB moves further from its spontaneous origins toward a permanent place in the digital economy. The journey from meme to movement is well underway. Let's see how this foundation is shaping SHIB's technical outlook. Next, we'll decode what the charts are telling us. Technical analysis can seem daunting, but a few key indicators reveal a lot about SHIB's momentum. The 200-day simple moving average, SMA, is a crucial trend line. When SHIB trades above it, that's a bullish sign. Below it, bearish. Recently, analysts have watched SHIB hover near this line, searching for a decisive move. The relative strength index, RSI, is another tool. Above 70 means overbought, potential for a pullback. Below 30 means oversold, potential for a bounce. These indicators aren't guarantees, but when they align, they strengthen the case for a trend. For SHIB, a price above the 200-day SMA and a healthy RSI could signal renewed market interest. But remember, news and sentiment can shift the market quickly. Technicals are just one piece of the puzzle. Next, let's look at the whales, crypto's biggest players, and what their moves mean for SHIB. Understanding their behavior can help you avoid knee-jerk reactions. Let's dive into the world of SHIB whales. Are they accumulating or preparing to sell? Here's what the data shows. In crypto, whales are investors who hold massive amounts of a token, and their moves can shake the market. For SHIB, whale activity is especially important due to its huge supply. Recent on-chain data shows periods of accumulation, with large wallets adding SHIB, often a sign of confidence or anticipation of big developments. But it's not just about buying. When whales move SHIB to exchanges, it can signal a potential sell-off. Conversely, moving tokens off exchanges into private wallets suggests long-term conviction. Tracking these flows gives insight into market sentiment at the highest level. For everyday holders, whale moves can seem intimidating, but they're just another data point. A sudden price dip from whale selling isn't always a red flag. If fundamentals are strong, it could be a buying opportunity. The key is to observe, not react impulsively. Whale activity, technicals, and fundamentals together paint the full picture. Now, let's explore how SHIB is building real utility with Shibarium and token burns. This is where the project's future gets interesting. For SHIB to thrive long-term, it needs real-world use, and that's where Shibarium comes in. Shibarium is SHIB's own Layer 2 blockchain, built on Ethereum, designed for faster, cheaper transactions. This upgrade removes barriers for developers, enabling new apps, games, and services within the SHIB ecosystem. But utility isn't the only focus. Shibarium also powers a built-in token burn mechanism. A portion of transaction fees is used to buy and permanently remove SHIB from circulation, gradually reducing supply. The more Shibarium is used, the more SHIB gets burned, a direct link between utility and scarcity. Over time, this deflationary model could have a significant impact on SHIB's value. Shibarium transforms SHIB from a token you hold to one you can actually use. It's a major step toward a sustainable digital economy. But SHIB's ambitions don't stop there. Let's look at its push into NFTs and the Metaverse. SHIB's vision extends beyond finance into digital culture. NFTs and the Metaverse are at the heart of this expansion. Projects like Shiboshis, a collection of unique NFT characters, give users a stake in the ecosystem's future games and virtual worlds. The SHIB. The Metaverse project aims to create an immersive digital world where users can own land, socialize, and participate in a new economy. These ventures turn SHIB from a simple token into a platform for creativity, ownership, and community. NFTs and the Metaverse deepen user engagement and give real purpose to SHIB, leash, and bone. It's about building a brand and culture, not just a financial asset. For users, value now comes from experiences, digital ownership, and community interaction. This expansion is key to SHIB's long-term relevance in the evolving digital landscape. SHIB's future hinges on two things: its passionate community and real-world adoption. The SHIB Army's size and energy attract developers, partners, and exchanges, fueling a powerful network effect. Adoption means seeing SHIB's tools and tokens used in real applications, especially on Shibarium. Watch for new projects, rising transaction volumes, and partnerships that bring SHIB into everyday use. The project's pivot from meme coin to functional ecosystem is clear, with Shibarium as the technical backbone. Whale activity and technical signals suggest renewed interest, but caution is always wise. The next chapter will be defined by whether SHIB can build a vibrant digital economy and compete in the crowded Layer 2 and Metaverse space. The crypto market is unpredictable. Curiosity and diligence are your best tools. Stay tuned to Crypto Insider for clear, factual updates as SHIB's story continues to unfold. The journey is just beginning. Will you be part of it?